to my channel, or if you're new, then welcome. As you can see, I'm not in my house. I am in a studio that's near my place. Don't mind the little noises. They have a really old heating system. I'm really sorry about that. And it's actually so hot in here, but you can't turn it off. It's so annoying. But I just don't get enough light in my space to do the kind of quality videos that I would like. So that's why I'm here. But I am gonna do a top 5 everyday makeup essentials video. So I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup as I talk about it. Okay, so the first one is this Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Oh, this is Omega Bronze in Tantastic. This is the lighter color. And this is my favorite bronzer. The color is so good. It's like warm, but not orange. It's also not muddy, which basically means that it's like a little bit too gray and then it looks muddy on your skin. So yeah, I just put it all around my cheekbones, my forehead, and then I also use it as eyeshadow during the day, like that. I do have like a powder foundation on as my base, but I don't always wear it, which is why I'm not including it in my top 5. Number 2 is this Derma Blend Smooth Liquid Camo Concealer. You can get this at Shoppers in Canada. This was made by a dermatologist. I've worked with them before, not on this, but on their Banana Bright Illuminating Powder, and it's awesome. But I just find that this is really pigmented without being like too thick and cakey, and it really stays on, and I love it. I really love it, especially when I'm not wearing any foundation on a day-to-day basis. And then I just put it on any little spots that I have and around my nose, and then just tap it in with my finger. The only thing is that they don't have a ton of colors. Like, this is medium, and obviously it's not that dark. Hopefully they'll come out with a wider range of colors. I need to blend in my bronzer. Okay, number 3 is blush. It changes quite a bit, but right now it's the Marc Jacobs Flesh and Fantasy blush. 2 other favorites of mine. This is Beauty Counter. It's a clean beauty brand. This is the color Melon. I also love Nectar. And then a more affordable version that I love, this is a tried and true for me. I actually wore this on my wedding, is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted in Bashful. Kind of like a nudie, pinky kind of thing. I actually am not including highlighter in my everyday essentials because I don't wear it every day. I just brushed up my brows. I don't use a brow gel every single day, just when I kind of need them to stay, just because they're microbladed and I don't really need to fill them in or do anything to them on a regular basis, which is amazing. I do have a video on that if you're interested. I'll link that for you. Okay, so number 4 is my Pat McGrath Labs mascara. This is the Fetish Eyes mascara, and it is pricier, so I definitely pick it up during the Sephora sales, but it's so good. Whenever I'm wearing it, people ask me what I'm wearing on my eyelashes. So I usually do 2 coats, and then I'll curl my lashes in between. And then this isn't really I guess it's a makeup product. It is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And this is kind of why I don't use a highlighter, because I find if I just moisturize my skin and then my blush is a little bit glowy and then use this, this is helpful for kind of making you glow and also for keeping your makeup in place. Oh, now my hair is all wet. Okay, great. I'm kind of having a bit of a day today. Just my dog was driving me crazy this morning, and Andrew had 2 shifts outside the city, so he stayed overnight. And Theo can be a lot of work by yourself when you have a full-time job. And then I forgot stuff at my house and I had to leave the studio, but I've already paid for the time, and not really a bad day, just kind of a frustrating day. Okay, that's it. I hope that was helpful. Those are the things that I basically can't live without. that's how I basically get my everyday makeup look. I have lots of top 5 videos coming in my top 5 series. I already have some out that I will link below, and I'm always open to suggestions. This is going to be a long-term thing. It's been really popular so far, so let me know if you have any requests. Thanks for watching. Bye!